Hi there and welcome to the latest update for Scotland from the Met Office. A fine, crisp, bright autumn weekend, finally. But before that happens, we do still have some showers on Friday night, some longer spells of rain perhaps for a time in the far north, and the showers will be falling as snow over the mountains. But generally the showers ease somewhat by the end of the night, with increasingly clear spells developing and winds falling a bit lighter as well. So in some sheltered spots, temperatures will dip below freezing. Otherwise, it's 1 to 3 Celsius first thing. Enough for a fairly widespread frost across the country as we begin Armistice Day. What we've got as we begin the weekend is low pressure moving away to the east, another low approaching slowly from the west, but in between, this very slack area where we're in between lows and in between highs, it's called a col, C-O-L. And it generally brings light winds and mostly settled weather. But having said that, there will be a continuation of the showers across northern Scotland, perhaps 1 or 2 affecting eastern parts first thing on Saturday. Otherwise, blue skies, yes, a chill in the air, but temperatures will rise through the morning. A crisp autumn day with light winds, feeling very pleasant, I should imagine. 1 or 2 showers will continue for the Northern Isles, the odd one for Caithness, Sutherland and Lewis, but otherwise, for the vast majority, it's a fine afternoon. Temperatures a little below average for the time of year. We're looking at 6 to 9 Celsius, but with light winds, as I mentioned, feeling perfectly pleasant. Then we keep those clear skies widely overnight. The showers really quite restricted to northern coasts. And with light winds as well, we're going to see a widespread frost as we begin Remembrance Sunday, and some fog patches as well, some dense fog through parts of the central belt first thing, that's slow to clear. Then through the day we'll see some high and medium level cloud drifting into southern and perhaps some central parts, and you'll notice some splashes of blue there towards the far southwest, parts of Dumfries and Galloway turning damp by the middle of the afternoon. But for the vast majority, actually, it's remaining dry through much of Sunday, and it's also bright with best of the sunshine towards the north and northwest. Still 1 or 2 showers for Shetland and Orkney. And it's going to feel quite chilly, I should imagine, particularly where we see some of that fog sticking around through the bulk of the morning. In those places, temperatures not rising much above the low to mid single figures. Otherwise, 7, 8 Celsius or so. Make the most of the weekend because the weather turns unsettled once again early part of next week.